Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get and master the ball mode in Geometry Dash. The ball mode is one of the core game mechanics you'll encounter, offering a unique challenge. Unlike the cube, where you jump, the ball mode lets you flip gravity with precision. This guide will help you understand its controls and give you essential tips to navigate even the trickiest sections. Let's dive into how this exciting mode works. You don't get the ball mode in the traditional sense. It's a built-in game mechanic. Levels are designed with special portals that automatically transform your icon into the ball. These portals are typically circular and clearly visible, signaling a change in gameplay. When you pass through one, your icon will instantly become the ball, ready for gravity-flipping action. There's no unlock requirement. It's always available when a level calls for it. Controlling the ball mode is straightforward yet requires precision. A single tap or click on your screen or mouse button will instantly reverse your icon's gravity. If you're falling, a tap makes you rise. If you're rising, a tap makes you fall. Holding down your input will maintain your current gravity direction. The challenge lies in timing these flips perfectly to avoid spikes and land on platforms. Practice makes perfect with this unique mechanic. To truly master the ball mode, focus on anticipation and rhythm. Look ahead in the level to predict when you'll need to flip gravity, rather than reacting last minute. For tight spaces or quick adjustments, use very short, rapid taps instead of long holds. Many community-made levels are excellent for practicing specific ball mode challenges. Dedicate time to these to refine your timing and develop muscle memory for complex sequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.